Happy New Year! Welcome back to school. I hope that you had a fantastic and relaxing break. This video that I am doing right now is going to be about 3 Google extensions that are extremely helpful. And the key components of this are creating documents very quickly on Google, being able to share web pages with your students faster and easier, and just getting help where you need it in terms of how to do something on Google Suite and Google Drive if I'm not available to you or somebody who is better at it isn't available to you. So the first one I want to talk to you guys about is Google Docs Quick Create. This one is awesome. It is one of my favorites to use because it just makes everything quick and easy. I am not going to show you how to add extensions because we went through that, and there is a video for that if you need to refresh yourself, you can watch it later. So once you've added all of your Google extensions, once you add them, they're up on your toolbar in the right-hand corner up here, right next to the URL bar. So Google Docs Quick Create, the icon are the 3 colored papers stacked on top of each other. So, and see where it says Google Docs Quick Create. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on it, and immediately this amazing menu pops up that says New Document, New Spreadsheet, New Presentation, New Drawing, and New Form. Say, for example, I'm in a meeting, I forgot pen and paper, I need to start taking notes because important information is being shared. I click on New Document, and it immediately opens up a blank document for me to start typing and going. Another example, maybe they're sharing data and I want to keep track of that data. So Google Docs Quick Create, New Spreadsheet. A great thing about Google Docs Quick Create is that it opens everything in a new tab. So you're not losing the website you were on, or you can work on the document and the spreadsheet at the same time and go back and forth. You can create a new slide, a new presentation, a new Google Slides, or even a new form and make it whatever you need it to do. So Google Docs Quick Create is easy. It opens up a new document, spreadsheet, presentation, drawing, or form. And it opens everything in a new tab so you're not losing the progress you make in another tab. So awesome, Google Docs Quick Create. It's really cool. Love it, use it. The next one I want to talk to you about is Google URL shortener. This one allows you to shorten long URLs if you want to share a website with your students. And it also gives you a QR code that you can print out and put up around your classroom for your kids to use. So for example, Newsla, I use Newsla a lot in my classroom. My students love the articles, and it's just a great resource to use. But I don't want to give them this huge long URL code, because the problems you run into with that are they type it in wrong. Oh, this web page isn't working. Oh, I think I missed a letter, but they're not. They're going to mess up. So what I normally do is if I want them to go to a specific website and they have to be on that specific website, I can use my Google URL shortener. So the way this works, the icon is a little gray computer screen with a green dot in it. You click on it, and immediately you get a shortened URL. That URL will never change. So it doesn't matter how many times you click on it. If you're on that website and you've already clicked on it once, it will never change, which is nice if you forget it. You can copy and paste it onto a piece of paper. You can see how many times kids visit it or whatnot. But this is my favorite feature, the QR code. Click on QR code and it creates one for that web page. I can then copy the image. I'm going to quickly open up a new document here. For some reason, it's just going to take it a second. And then I'm going to paste that onto this document. Maybe if it'll work. I don't think it's going to work for me right now. Or maybe I've pasted it 5 times already. I don't know. There we go. Now, you can click on that image and you can make it bigger so it's easier to scan. Print that page off, post it at the station you want them to use it for, post it around your room and say, okay, there are QR codes all over the room, scan one, and make sure that you are on that web page. Makes it very easy. And like I said, no matter how many times you click on the URL shortener icon, it's the same URL every time. It never changes. Now, so that's URL shortener. It shortens your URL so you're not sharing huge, long web pages with your students, and the possibility of them typing it in wrong goes away when you use the QR code option. The last one I want to talk to you about is G Suite training. This has been a lifesaver for me because I will tell you that I have used it a lot so that I can get more information on how to use the amazing features of Google to share with you guys. So G Suite training, you have to be in your Drive to access this extension. And what you do is, once you're in your Drive, you go to the icon. It's in the far right-hand corner. It's the Google color circle with the question mark, and you click on it. Now, you can ask it anything. Creating a sheet from a form. Okay, so it'll give you, or attaching, adding pictures. Okay, well, maybe it won't let me do that. Creating a new document. Okay, it'll give you essential overview of how to use Drive, how to create. You can be on another website. Is it up here? No, it's not up here. And if you click on the arrow at the top, that makes it go away. But it's been a very helpful tool for me. G Suite training. I don't know why it's not on a new tab here, but it isn't. So that's okay though. But those are the 3 extensions that I wanted to talk to you about. Google Docs Quick Create, which allows you to create a very quick, brand new document just super fast. A Google URL shortener, which allows you to create URLs that are shorter for your students to use and to share. And it also gives you a QR code that's easy to scan, and there's no mistaking typing in that URL. And then lastly, G Suite training, which allows you to ask Google questions and how to use things on your Google Suite that you might not remember how to do, or you just don't know how to do. So I hope this is helpful. I hope you have enjoyed this, and good luck for the rest of the year.